welcome to the Subwoofer King News Report. In today's news, we're going to talk about waiting on packages. You know, when you get your audio package, you just order something online, and you waiting for the UPS man or FedEx man to get at your house. And it seems like it takes forever for them to give you your audio equipment. And you're so ready to do the install. Well, here goes a clip. Oh, I hear a truck. What a FedEx man at? Damn. Oh shit, the package here. What the hell? I don't want no damn cookies. Look at my face. Man, fuck them cookies, on no damn cookies. One package and one package. What took so long with my package? Don't you ever be late my package again. Other news, we're gonna talk about Audio Legion. This company sells very good product for a really nice price. Their amps are underrated. They do, oh my god, they do way overrated power. And they just came out with some new subs, some 2,000 RMS subs for a really nice price. Here go a picture of their products. Up next, we're gonna talk about Noobs. Noobs in the car audio industry and how to separate them or tell them apart very easily. Look at this new amp I got. It says 800 watts max. Dude, that amp is not 800 watts. What's the RMS? What's the RMS of it? RMS? What the hell is RMS? 800 watts max. Alright, other news, we're going to talk about Phi Audio. Phi Audio is planning on coming out with a Neo sub. In the past, I had Neo subs, the N2 and the BTL N3. By the way, I missed that BTL series. I love that series, BTLs. But anyways, yes, they come out with a new Neo sub, and this was supposed to be really nice. I think it's mainly geared towards SQ. I don't know it's a concept idea, so I don't really know the details about that sub yet. But be on the lookout for it. Anyway, other news, what's up with my new build? You know, I just bought a second amp, and I ran into some electrical problems. I gotta, almost completely, redo my electrical system now. So it's gonna be, the bit build completion is gonna be pushed back a little more. I gotta spend some more money and get some more things, And alright, that's it for today's news report. I'm your host, Subwoofer King, and remember, subscribe. Peace.